What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to restore lost, accidentally deleted photos or videos from pictures gallery in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings, tap on gallery and then click on this menu icon, and from here tap on recycle bin. Now here you will find all your lost or accidentally deleted photos or videos. So to restore, just simply press and hold on a photo or video that you want to restore. So you can select one or more photos or videos, and if you want to select all, then just simply tap on all, and after selecting tap on restore all, and then it will restore the lost or deleted photos and videos. So that's how you can restore the lost or accidentally deleted photos or videos from pictures gallery in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.